Hello everyone, this is Dr.Syamala Devi from the Department of MBA International Business Management Studies, Acharya Nagarjuna University. Today's our topic is regarding Japanese management style. Okay, so how the Japanese follow the management styles in the organization. First of all, uh, we'll study about the concept of Japanese management style. Japan is considered as one of the super economic powers of the world. Having lost the war in 1945, it had to restart the development process from the scrap. In the infrastructure demolished, the economic environment was suppressed and dominated by other countries. The people were extremely poor, did not have resources of any economic value. However, the zeal, energy, social, cultural value system of the Japanese people were not affected by the war, rather, they accelerated the efforts towards national development. Okay, so this is the introduction for the Japanese management style. How they strengthened their management, okay? How they strengthened their economic development, how they strengthened their national development, okay? Why? Because after the war in 1945, totally the infrastructure demolished and the economic environment was suppressed, and Japanese people were dominated by other countries. So, after war means we may see all the environment is extremely devastated. Okay, the resources were fully exploited, and the people living in the Japanese country, they were lowered very low stage regarding the economic value. So economically they were very suppressed also. And infrastructure demolition also is also very much affected in at the time of the war. So generally any country, if it undergone a war means, definitely it takes some years to again recoup all the loss. Okay, here Japan, now it has become a super economic power, one of the super economic powers of the world. Why? Why? Because a lot of efforts were made by the Japanese people. Okay, they are smart enough to adopt the foreign technology. Okay, they used vastly the foreign technology for the improvement of national development, and at the same time they followed certain management philosophy regarding the organizations. Okay, distinctive features were followed by the Japanese people for the development of the organization, at the same time for the development of the employees also, and at the same time the people who are connected with the organization internally and externally. So Japanese management, often referred to as Japanese style management or Japanese management practices, is a set of management principles and practices that have traditionally been associated with Japanese companies. Due to the success of several Japanese firms in the years following World War II, these practices gained attention and recognition on a global scale. It is characterized by an emphasis on ongoing improvement, effective cooperation, and respect for hierarchy. Okay, so the Japanese management is also known as the Japanese style management or practices. Y means a set of distinctive management principles and practices they were following. Okay, the principles and practices were traditionally associated to their Japanese social culture also. Okay, the basic strength of their Japanese firms is that their social cultural values, they give more importance to their social cultural values. Okay, and Japan has had incredible economic progress and prosperity in a short time and is now considered a super industrial power globally. As a result, Japanese miracle gained special interest from both industrialized and developing nations. Okay, so already developed and also developing nations were very much attracted to the Japanese development. Okay, the success of Japan, okay, it attributed its unique management system in the sense, so the system or the philosophy or the policies and principles, practices that were followed by the Japanese were distinctive. They only follow these principles or procedures. Okay, they have certain distinctive features. So a lot has been said and published about Japanese management system in recent years also. Okay, and they are applied to other social economic circumstances also, and that means depending upon their countries social cultures, different countries were applying these Japanese management philosophies, these Japanese management features regarding the organization development. Okay, and coming to the special features of Japanese management system. So what were the special features? Okay, so already we have naturally some features regarding the Japanese management system, but these are subdivided, these those features. Okay, so special features, these are treated as a special features, means one, people oriented and work oriented. Basically they focus on these two attributes. Okay, people oriented means mainly focus on personal and human resource aspects like lifetime employment, seniority system, and the groupism. Okay, so lifetime employment means in Japanese culture, if any person enters in the organization means till his retirement stage, okay, he is safe and secured. Security regarding the job is given to that particular person. It is under beneath the principles of organization. Okay, and coming to the seniority system means promotions will be given to the employees in the organization depending upon the seniority system. Okay, and that too, if at all the employee crosses 10 years experience only, they can be considered for the promotion. And coming to groupism, what does groupism means? Collective working of the people. Okay, so groupism means it is nothing but a group of people, okay, group of individuals working together. So that is known as groupism. Collectivism, okay, collectively working in the organization in order to accomplish the goals of the organization. So mainly Japanese management system is people oriented, means it shows some concern to the people. Okay, and at the same time work oriented also. So it focuses on production and engineering functions, which include just in time production system, the subcontracting, and the quality control. Okay, these are some of the examples regarding the work oriented. So coming to just in time production system means, for example, the production will be done only when there is an order. For example, if it is a car manufacturing company, okay, then or else laptop manufacturing company, whenever customer orders for the product, then only they will go for production of that particular product. Okay, by this they will reduce the wastage of time, money, energy. Okay, then the subcontracting means, what does the subcontracting means in a division, we can say this as division of labor. Okay, the work can be deviated to some other person. Okay, so by this the work can be done promptly in time. Okay, by using optimum utilization of resources, and wastage of energy will be reduced. Okay, minimum cost will be there, maximum production can be seen by subcontracting. And quality control means, this is a very important in Japanese management system. they focus very much on this aspect, because quality is the main backbone for the product. Okay, if at all the product is very qualitative, means highly qualitative, means the customers will come forth to purchase that product. Okay, so quality plays very important role, not only on product wise, on the performance of the workers, the performance of the employees will also be seen at the same time. For example, quality will be considered in raw materials, quality will be considered in the performance of employees. Okay, likewise, in each and every section, quality control will be seen in Japanese management. And we can see the features, different distinctive features of Japanese management system in functions of management. As we all know, what were the functions of management means: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. All these are related to functions of management. I have just given this to get an idea for you regarding the Japanese management system. Okay, because you know the functions of management, so you can connect to that, the features of management, Japanese management, to these functions. This is just I quoted as examples regarding those, so you may easily understand the topic. Okay, so if we take planning, means under planning, how will be the Japanese management style will be. Okay, under planning they have some distinctive features like long term orientation, collective decision making, bottom up approach, slow decisions. Okay, means long term orientation means long term plans. Okay, they give more importance for long term plans only, means strategic decisions will be taken. And coming to collective decision making, collective decision making means, we know that in Japanese culture, while taking decisions regarding the organization's policies and procedures, from top level management to lower level management, all the employees decisions will be considered. Okay, if any suggestions were given by the lower level management, they are also considered by the top level management. Means we see here the consensus of decision making. Consensus of decision making means from top level management to lower level management, each employee should involve in decision making. Each employee should agree for the plans and procedures of the organization. Okay, and bottom up approach. So, from how would be the level of management regarding communication, regarding decision making? Okay, everything will be done from bottom to top level. Okay, that means they are giving utmost importance to the lower level management, middle level management. Okay, and at the same time, under planning we will see slow decisions. Okay, so decisions will be slow. Why? Because means here we'll see collective decision making. Okay, so collective decision making means we have to consider each and every employee in the organization. So definitely it will take some time, because all the employees should agree on the decisions. If at all a top management only take the decisions, means within 2 to 3 days, or there will be a minimum time to take decisions. Speedy the decisions can be taken. But now here, as it is regarded with collective decision making, it takes some time. So, slow decisions will be there.